Good morning and welcome to the E-class of St. Xavier's High School, Adipur. Today, we are going to study science of standard 7, chapter number 6, that is physical and chemical changes, part 1. So, as we all know that there are variety of changes around us, physical as well as chemical changes. Okay. So, let us see what are the physical changes and what are the chemical changes. There are variety of changes takes place near our surrounding, as I told you now, okay, such as we dissolve sugar in water to make a cold drink, okay. Making a sugar solution is a change. Similarly, curd formation from the milk, okay, that is also a change. But sometimes milk becomes sour, means khatta. What happens? The milk gets spoiled. The spoilage is also a change, okay. That milk has been converted into a sour milk. So that is also a kind of a change from a normal milk to a sour milk. Souring of milk is also a change. Stretched rubber, okay, हम rubber को खींच के पकड़ के रखेंगे, then there is some change from its normal position. When we are stretching it, it gets converted, its shape changes. So when the shape or the size or the appearance of the substance changes, or a new substance is formed, like from milk curd is formed, a new substance is formed. From milk paneer is formed, so there is a new substance is formed. So when new substance is formed, or that same substance is getting changed, its shape, its color, its size, okay, then that substance means is having some changes in it. Broadly, these changes are of two kinds, physical and chemical changes. Let us see what are the physical changes. Properties such as shape, size, color, state of a substance are called its physical properties. Children, so it can be asked that what are the physical properties of any substance. So you have to write shape, size, color and the state of a substance. Means it is in a solid state, it is in a liquid state, or it is in a gaseous state. So that is their physical properties of any substance. Means जो हम देख सकते हैं, the changes which we can see from our naked eyes. Okay, we don't need anybody's help. Okay, from our observation, from our eye observation only, we can see these changes in their shape and size. Okay, that are included in the physical changes. A physical change is reversible. Okay, जैसे stretching of a rubber. If we will stretch a rubber, okay, and if we will leave it, it will gain its own shape. Okay, it will gain its own position. In such a change, no new substance is formed. So in the physical change, there are no new substances which are formed. Okay. Suppose, let us do one activity that we are taking one piece of a paper and we are cutting it into the 4 pieces, and then cut each 4 square pieces into more 4 square pieces. You cannot join the pieces back to make the original piece, but is there a change of the property of the paper? Paper तो वैसा ही रहेगा ना, उसके paper के अंदर कोई change है? No. Only the shape and size is different. Okay, and हम उसको इकट्ठा करके by the help of the sellotape or the fevicol, we can paste it also sometimes. Okay, but is there any other new substances formed from paper? Does it convert it into the pencil? No, not at all. Okay, so new substances do not form in the physical changes. Now let us see what are the chemical changes. Okay, a change in which one or more new substances formed is called a chemical change. A chemical change is also called a chemical reaction. Okay, When we leave a piece of iron, in the open for some time, it acquires a film of a brownish substance. अगर हम कोई भी iron substance ले रहे हैं, okay, and if we are not applying paint on it, then what will happen? After some time, we will be observing that there is some brownish layer has been formed on the top of its surface. So that brownish surface is a chemical change occurred in it. Means new substance is formed, that brownish shape color. Okay, this substance is called rust, and the process is called rusting. Iron gates of parks or farmlands, iron benches kept in lawns and gardens. Almost every article of iron kept in the open gets rusted. Okay, means if we will keep it open in the air, direct contact agar air ka hoga, okay, and if the iron is not coated with any oil paint, then what will happen? The direct contact will occur with that iron piece, and the oxygen will react with this iron, and it will form what? It will get oxidized, and this rust will form by the help of the contact with the oxygen. Rust is not an iron. Children, keep it in your mind that rust is not an iron. It is different from iron on which it gets deposited. Okay, वो iron नहीं है. Okay, the rust is on the iron. Rust formation कहाँ होगा? On the iron material. Okay, but that is not an iron. Let us do one activity. Okay, suppose we have taken a small piece of a thin strip or ribbon of magnesium. हमने एक magnesium का ribbon लिया, okay, and we are holding with a sandpaper. Okay, clean it, its tip. We will clean it with the sandpaper, and that tip we will. What we will do? We will allow that tip to get on the flame. हम उस flame को बाजू में लेकर आएंगे. But then what will happen? It will burn with a brilliant white light. Okay, a very white. This you can hear, you can see that a white light has been formed. Okay, it is due to the burning of the magnesium ribbon. Okay, children. And when it completely burns, it leaves behind a powdery ash. Okay, the ash look like magnesium ribbon. It look like ribbon. The change can be represented by the following equation: Mg, that is magnesium, plus O2, that is oxygen, magnesium oxide, that is MgO. Now, what we will do? We will collect this ash and mix it with a small amount of water. Then we will stir this mixture, okay, in a very good way, so that it gets mixed thoroughly. Okay. On dissolving this ash in the water, it forms a new substance. So, फिर से ये क्या हुआ? A chemical change has been occurred because a new substance is being formed. This change can be written in the form of the following equation, that is MgO plus H2O. Here 2 will become at the down. Okay, H2O will give magnesium hydroxide, that is MgOH twice. ये 2 भी नीचे आएगा. Magnesium hydroxide is a base. Okay, so magnesium oxide is a new substance formed on burning of the magnesium, and magnesium hydroxide is another new substance formed by mixing magnesium oxide with water. So, though 2 different kinds of substances are formed. First, magnesium ribbon, when was burned, it turned into magnesium oxide, and then when we are mixing this magnesium oxide in the water, then it will give magnesium hydroxide. So, 2 new substances has been formed by the help of the chemical changes. By the another activity, let us see what are the chemical changes occurring in our environment. Okay, Suppose we have, as you can see, we have taken 2 beaker. Okay, in this we have added copper sulfate solution. ये copper sulfate solution बनाया है, and now we will add this blade in this. First of all, you can see that this copper sulfate solution is in blue in color. Okay, and after adding of the blade, it turned into green color. Why? Some chemical change has been occurred in this whole process. That's why only the change has been observed and it has been converted into green color from the blue color. Now what we will do, let us see. Dissolve amount of teaspoon of copper sulfate, that is blue vitriol or Neela Totha, is about a half a cup of water in a glass tumbler or a beaker. Okay, हमने copper sulfate solution का teaspoon full powder लिया and then we added it into the water or in the beaker or a glass tumbler. And what we will do, we will add sulfuric acid to the solution. कौन से? This one, copper sulfate के अंदर. Now we will add a small test tube or a glass tube. We will take it and we will add this blue color solution. पहले से हम example of the test tube we will take so that we can compare after what the result will come with the first our main solution. Now drop a nail or use shaving blade. What we are adding? We are adding this shaving blade in it. Okay, and we will keep it for half an hour or more than that. So what we will see that this blade, okay, will give its iron to this solution. Okay, and that's why the color has been changed from blue to green. And we can also compare with the test tube. जो हमने test tube में ये blue color का solution लिया था, okay, that we will compare with this green solution. Now what we will observe? The observation is that the color of the solution. We will compare it with the color of the same solution saved separately. Color of the solution from blue to green is due to the formation of the iron sulfate. That is a new substance. Copper sulfate से किस में convert हो गया? Sulfate went to the iron sulfate. The brown deposit on the iron nail is copper. Another new substance is formed. See here the blade is having a brown color from its surrounding. Okay, that is of the copper. Copper किसके ऊपर अब आ गया? Now on the blade. So a new substance is formed. Now we can write this solution that the copper sulfate solution plus iron gives iron sulfate, okay, which is in green color, and copper is having the brown deposited layer on this blade. Okay children, so this was all about the physical and the chemical change. One more activity is left of the chemical change. We will be studying this one more activity in our next part. Thank you and have a nice day.